Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off with this piece of chenille fabric that I had, and I had drawn a heart on a piece of paper, and then I cut it out. And now I'm going to take and pin that heart to my fabric, just so that it doesn't slip away when I try and cut it. I'm trying to keep it as flat as possible as I'm doing this, so it's not bunched up and I don't get a weird shaped heart. So I just put a few pins in, enough to just hold it down. And then I'm just going to cut out the shape. I'm just going to go around, and I kind of went really big around, and then I'll trim off after. So just get rid of all that excess, and then trim it up once I have that big piece off. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to pull out all of the pins. And then I am going to make sure that they're both even. And then I'm going to start gluing. So I'm just going to peel it up. And I did this on 2 layers of the chenille. I folded it in half. And then just keep adding glue, closing as I go. Making sure that I have the glue spread evenly so that there's no chance of any spaces not getting done. And then I am going to take some polyfill and start filling my heart. So I just use small bits at a time. I'm just kind of pushing it up, making sure that the glue is stuck all the way around. And starting with the tops, I filled those in. And keep filling until you like the amount and the size. So I didn't want it to be over full. So once I have it all in there, I'm going to kind of push some of it back and push it closed, and then add some glue to that little area that I left open. Squeeze it with my fingers, and then kind of reshape the heart and push all of the polyfill all the way around. And now that we have it all filled and it's all in the shape that I want, I'm going to take some lace ribbon, and I'm just going to tie it around the center. And I'm going to tie that in a knot, and then another knot. So I double knotted it, kind of getting it arranged where I wanted it. And then I'm going to trim off the excess. Once I have the lace on there, I am going to take some greenery, and I'm going to stick that behind the lace. Just kind of stick it back there. Once I have the greenery on there, I trimmed off this little extra piece that I didn't like the look of. And then I'm just going to kind of arrange it how I want it. And then I'm going to take this flower that came from the His and Hers section of Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to stick it right onto the center of my bow. And look how cute this is. It's so simple and easy. And I'm just going to put that in my rusty bed spring. And that is it. So I'm kind of arranging it how I want it in there. And I love how the bright white contrasts off of the rusty spring. I think it turned out so super cute. I do wish that I had made my heart a little bit bigger, but I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I still think it's really, really cute. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.